Welcome. If you want to stand out on LinkedIn and show off your language skills, adding languages to your profile is a smart move. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to add a new language using the LinkedIn app on your phone. Let's get started. First, open the LinkedIn app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged in so you can access your profile and make changes easily. Next, look to the top left corner of your screen and tap your profile picture. This will open a menu where you'll see your name and profile details. From here, tap View Profile to head to your main profile page. Now, scroll down your profile until you find the Languages section. If you haven't added any languages before, this section might be empty. Look for the plus icon in the Languages area and tap it to add a new language. A new screen will appear, prompting you to enter the language you want to add. Start typing the language name, and LinkedIn will suggest options as you go. Once you've selected your language, you'll be asked to choose your proficiency level. Options typically include elementary, limited working, professional working, full professional, or native bilingual proficiency. Pick the one that best matches your skills. After you've filled in the language and proficiency, tap Save. Your new language will now appear in the Languages section of your profile, making it visible to recruiters, colleagues, and anyone viewing your page. That's all it takes. Adding languages to your LinkedIn profile is quick, easy, and can help you connect with more opportunities around the world. If you ever want to add more languages, just repeat these steps. Thanks for watching. Now your LinkedIn profile is ready to showcase your multilingual abilities to the world.